Hey all, welcome back to the Spiritual Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with a sample Sunday video. I did take a break a little bit in between, so I couldn't do the updated sample Sunday series, but I do have an update on the products which I picked earlier. I only finished 2 products from the last sample Sunday, but I'll let you know the feedback on how much I used each of these. So the first one was this Belief toner. I used a good amount of this toner, but there's a lot of toner left. I continue to use this toner and then update or finish this or put it back in the bin if I'm not able to finish that. Next one I have is from Face Shop. This is a Face Shop seed, green natural seed face lotion. Again, as I mentioned, it's 32 ml. I cannot use a face lotion to finish this. A good amount of face lotion in this left because I'm not a face lotion person, but I used a very good amount till here. I literally have a lot of face lotion left in here. I don't want to put it back. I want to see I can use it as a body lotion and face because it's summer. I don't like to use heavy creams on my skin. And the next one I had is this Forest Essential Facial. I was traveling most of the February, so I forgot to take this with me and I literally do not use it. I have to use that up. And this Glow Recipe Night Sleeping Mask, I used it a little bit. I have very little left. I think maybe 1 or 2 uses. I will finish that up soon. So far I like this one. It's good one. I didn't like this lotion though. I'll see if I can use it, otherwise I'll put that back in the bin. The Belief Aqua Bomb, I finished this one. As I mentioned, I love this Aqua Bomb, so I finished this one and I'm happy about it. Also, I used a good amount of this Forest Essential body lotion because it's 50 ml. As I mentioned, I'll continue using it. In summers, I don't like body butters, I use body lotions. So I'll continue using that. I really like the fragrance, so you should definitely try that. I used up this Innisfree body wash. Again, I really like it. It's from Pink Mule Grass. It really smells so perfumey. It's so nice, it's so soothing as well. So I finished this one. I'm happy. I couldn't use this because I forgot to take it up with my travel, so this I'll use it today. Blender cleanser, sample size, I have it in my sink. I'll use it twice or thrice and then I'll finish that off. So that's the quick update on the products I already picked up in the last sample Sunday. In this sample Sunday, again, as I mentioned last time, I'm gonna pick 5 skincare products from my bin and it's actually loaded. You can see I'm gonna pick 5 products from this. I wish I get smaller products, not the big ones. I'm lucky then. I got this one. This is a Sunday Riley Ice Creme Hydrate. Okay, this is an ice ceramide moisturizing cream and it looks so cute. Oh, it's a thick cream. I really need to see if I can use it up in this week. But it smells so nice and it's really nice. I will try to refrigerate and then use it in the night so I feel a little cool and nice because summer, it's so hot. I don't have fan on because I don't want to literally add more disturbance in this recording. So I turned off that for you all. And that's the first product I got from the sample Sunday. Let me pick the next. So deep in, it's difficult sometimes to pick a product. Okay, I got something from Estee Lauder. Oh, it's same colors if you can see. It's the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro Rapid Firm Plus Lift Treatment. It's 5 ml, so I'm excited to use this. It do not have a pump though. I'm excited to use this one. I love Estee Lauder ANS serum, so I'm excited to try the sample size from that. And the next one I have is this Numero 10 Essence. I think I've already used it in first sample Sunday. Let me pick something else then. Okay, I got this something from Shiseido. It's the Shiseido Power Infusing Concentrating Active Wear Energy Serum. I think it's a serum. So I have 2 serums. I don't know if I'll be able to use up, but I will try. I'll do a small review. I love serums, so I don't want to put that back. I can use one in the morning, I can use one in the night. Okay, I got something from Kiehl's. It's a Kiehl's Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Foaming Mask. It's overnight mask. It instantly skin feels firmer and looks smoother. So it's an overnight mask. It's a big size. I think it's of how many ml? It's of 14 ml. So I'm excited to use this one. It's a pretty full mask, but I can use it twice or thrice because it's overnight mask. I think there's no restrictions that you have to use it Okay, so it says recommend to use 5 times a week, not more than 5 times. So I can use it 5 times and then I can use it twice. This sleeping mask, so I can use this up within this week, or I can at least use half of this. So I got 4 products, and the last one I got to pick this. So the last one I got is this something from Drunk Elephant. This is the Shaba Complex Eye Serum, which is good. It's a 5 ml product. It's an eye serum, and I'm excited to use this one. So yeah, those are the 5 skincare samples I picked up today. These are the 5 samples I picked up: 2 serums, 1 overnight mask, 1 cream, and then 1 eye serum. Let's pick 2 products from the body care, which I have in this bag. Sorry, I have to pick 2 products from this. The first one I have, wow, is this body scrub. I have used this one. I have a full size of this. I really like this body scrub, and I think in summers it's so nice, refreshing. This is a coffee enriched scrub. It's packed. It's of 20 grams. I think I can use it twice this week and see if I can use it up. But it's a small Choto size. It's a coffee body scrub. It smells so nice. Oh, I got a soap. I'm so happy. I was actually feeling I needed a soap. So this is the Forest Essential Mini Sample Soap from Honey and Vanilla range. It's a luxury sugar soap. It's 50 grams. It smells so good. So yeah, I'm very happy to use this one. So these are the 2 products which I picked up from Body Care, a scrub and a body soap. Very happy. And then I have to pick 3 products from makeup. All the makeup here. Let me see. Okay, I got this one. This is a Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, and yes, I would love to use it. So that's my first makeup product. And the next one I got is a foundation sample. So I have 4 samples, but I think only this one matches my skin tone, or this one mixed with this one. We'll see. This is a Makeup Forever foundation sample. It's an Ultra HD anti-soreness long wear, light capturing, self-setting. Oh, concealer. It's not a foundation, it's a concealer. Okay. It's a light capturing self-setting concealer, but there's a lot of concealer. So yeah, I'm glad to use this one. Third one I have is this from Jolse. It's a blotting paper, I think, which is very suitable in summers. How many sheets I have? I have a good number of sheets. I don't know if I can use everything, but today I'm gonna use it. I've never used blotting paper because I always felt it was for oily skin, but I think it's summer. Very useful in summer. So yeah, in summer my skin goes from dry skin to combination a bit. So I'm excited to try this one. So yeah, I got 3 products for makeup. That's the samples and the picks for this week. I'm so excited. I have so many new products. I have makeup, I have skincare, I have body care, 10 products to use it. And again, I already have a lot of products which are from the previous Sample Sunday, because I felt I'll be using it only this face lotion. I don't know if I'll be using it. Do I put that back? Yeah, I think I'll put this back in the basket so I can use it in the next coming Sample Sundays. I don't want to use that. The toner, I'll continue using it. Face gel is also something I'll use it. Lotion is something I'll use it, and sleeping mask I'll continue to use it. So yeah, these are the Sample Sundays for this week of March, and I'll upload that tomorrow quickly. Today is Saturday, I filmed it so I can edit it and put that out. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your reviews, and if you used any of these products which I picked up in today's Sample Sunday, let me know your review or short summary of what you feel about it. So thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. So after the next video, till then, take care. Bye bye.